Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is December the 27th on a Wednesday, and same story in the SPY. Just like I mentioned yesterday, just a grind higher, uh, pretty much flat right now at the opening. I'm not going to pull up the other indices; pretty much look the same as far as the Qs go. But let's dive in to some nice setups here. I'm seeing kind of a smaller price stock that's been performing well lately. Sirius Satellite. So this is one you can see here had a nice move, and this is a pattern I like, coming and coiling and defending its 10-period moving average. Boy, the entry in something like this is real subjective. I'm not sure, maybe around 560, maybe to take out that high of that wick right there. It's going to attempt this 580. But anyway, a pattern like that, it's real subjective. Somebody may want to buy it on a pullback if it happens. So another one to keep an eye on, I think, is this SRRK. Let me take a look at it. It is setting up pretty sweet here, moving sideways after a big move. But I tell you, there's a lot of stocks that look like this in this market. But I like the potential here if the break it. This is called it the 1975 level. 20 would be a big level for it there in that SRRK. Upstart, this one has can be a big mover. It has about 73 million in the float and poised right there, kind of on the launching pad. It could move fast, but be careful because this is a dangerous one. If it turns around, goes the opposite direction for you, it can be painful. Let's see, one more on the list. Let's take a look for the bottom fishers in this plug. Now I'm in plug. I've been buying it on these pullbacks down here, but if it does get above that 5 level, 5 is a big psychological level, and that's also the 50-period moving average right around that area. Then you got a nice gap up here. All right, that's it for today. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.